I'm exaggerating when I say the product in this building is one of the best in the country on the independent.
You got it. You got lumberjack voice.
Thank you. I just wanted to share one thing. It was posted and it was to the public. That was probably my last match in the area. I'm not retired. I'm not retired.
I know.
In your heart, I am. I'm not here. A lot of you, if you know me personally, I really like history, especially history of professional wrestling. It's really cool stuff if you ever look deep into it. And I don't mean like WrestleMania 3, Hulk Hogan and Andre history. I mean like if it's not black and white, you're probably not looking back far enough.
That's right.
Yeah, and there's this, like I enjoy French, like 1940s wrestling, stuff there. And there's this great French piece of literature, Les Offices. In American, we call it The Office. Right? There's a character.
It's alright, man. It's alright.
The character Andy Bernardi says, I wish there was a way to tell you were in the good old days before the good old days were finished. And it was really important for me tonight to just very briefly say, we are in the good old days. Pay attention, look around, enjoy all of this. You don't know when it'll change. You don't know when you'll have to move on. You're in the good old days now, I'm telling you. And what we have here in this building with these people under different banners, but in this building we have something incredibly special. I don't think I'm exaggerating when I say the product in this building is one of the best in the country on the independent. There are so many people here that have such a bright future. And you get to be a small part of that. Or you can choose to be a big part. And scream every time you're here. Put everything into the match. And all these wrestlers that put everything into the match. So thank you for everything. And let me end with like a big CWA chant. Let's share some of the shine, right? CWA! CWA! CWA!